My name is Ilan Almagor. I'm the CEO of Kim Diaphragm Valves, KDV. In 1979 we were incorporated in Australia with the idea of manufacturing and distributing diaphragm valves. KDV found an opportunity in the Australian market that we thought wasn't being serviced correctly. Traditionally, diaphragm valves have always been dominated by one or two players internationally, and in Australia we found that there was room in the market for a company who was focused on service. We find that that is a major part of what we can offer to the market and what we can offer to our clients. Our aim is to make sure that the clients are happy with both service and price. And by service, we don't mean the way we answer the phone, but also in regards to the stocks that we hold, as well as our packaging and as well as our presentation. We offer a very large amount of stock on site here in Melbourne that can be distributed around Australia within a 24-hour period. Many years ago, when diaphragm valves were created, around the turn of the century, it was mainly used in the mining industry for water control. Since then, diaphragm valves have moved into a lot larger applications. Some of them vary from sulfuric to hydrochloric acid, right down to deeming water, as well as used in air. And as well as all that, diaphragm valves are an excellent valve for control. So when people want a control valve, especially in aggressive media, diaphragm valve is probably one of the better solutions. Where diaphragm valves really come into their own is in regards to the cost of ownership. What does that really mean? Cost of ownership is, it's not the initial outlay of purchasing the valve, it's the cost of keeping the valve. So if you compare it to some other valve types which may or may not be more cost effective on the initial capital outlay, on the capital purchase, the maintenance of those valves, you may have to replace them totally. Whereas a diaphragm valve, once you replace the diaphragm, you've fixed 90% of the problems. Now the diaphragm is only a small cost component, and with the inline maintenance it becomes very, very easy to maintain it. With the knowledge that we've got in our company, as well as the understanding of the valve types and their benefits, we can tailor solutions or offer a complete package to be able to fulfill almost any order or any inquiry. We do also offer a range of ball valves, both unlined and lined ball valves, as well as butterfly valves, gate valves and knife gate valves. We have 30 years of experience in the Australian market and many, many more years of experience here in the company of dealing in both diaphragm valves as well as valves in general. Service, reliability, quick response times to both quotations and to orders. They're the things that really differentiate us from any of our competitors. Obviously price is always a major factor, but it's not the underlying factor. We do believe that we are very price competitive, but our service far outweighs any kind of price competitiveness in the market. KDV offer a total solution.